Oh, you better grab it by the handle and turn it around so you can hold the handle. Yeah, there you go. How much did you pour in there?
A little bit.
A little bit? Did you pour all of it?
No, a little bit.
Okay.
I put the opening bowl.
Yeah, you can put the opening back on the front.
I did do that.
There you go.
The puppy dog did call it. The kitty cat they called it too.
The puppy dog and the kitty cat didn't come yet? But we have a little bit of water for them if they come, right?
The kitty cat bring his own bowl.
He brings his own bowl? That's a smart kitty cat if he brings his own bowl.
I do. A puppy dog called two puppy dog called me. I would do two bowl. I would picture.
Oh, so the puppy dogs will drink out of the two pitchers and the kitty cat will bring his own bowl. Will we pour some water into the bowl for the kitty cat when he brings his bowl? Will we pour water into his bowl for him? Or will he pour the water himself?
He'll get his own picture.
He'll get his own pitcher?
I mean, put it into his bowl.
That is a smart kitty cat. If he can pick up the pitcher and pour it in his own bowl.
No, I want to pick up the pitcher, put it in his bowl, and he will drink it.
Okay. So he will bring his own bowl and then you will pour some water from your pitcher into his bowl.
No, kitty cat will go get his own picture.
Oh, but you will pour it?
No, the kitty cat will do it.
The kitty cat will do the whole thing? He'll get his own pitcher and he'll pour it himself? Wow. That's a clever kitty cat. That sure is a clever kitty cat.
They did it, Poppy did.
Yeah.
There will be another kitty cat with his bowl too.
There'll be another kitty cat with his bowl too?
He will come too.
There are a lot of smart kitty cats in this neighborhood.
He will bring his picture too. He will bring his own picture.
He brings his own pitcher and his own bowl. And he pours his own water. That is a smart kitty cat.
And Mommy puts the water inside the picture and he pour, pour.
Mommy puts water in the pitcher and then he pours? Wow.
Come, kitty cat. Sit.
Now can the puppy dogs pour their own water? The puppy dogs, do they have their own pitchers and can they pour their own water or do they have to use yours?
No, I had to go get it.
Oh, you have to get the pitcher for the puppy dogs? Oh.
They'll be.
So the puppy dogs need you to bring the water to them. They don't have their own.
Hey, Mommy put it inside the two pictures and I pour.
Well, I see you've got the two pitchers there for the puppy dogs. So you have to pour it for the puppy dogs and you have to bring the pitchers for the puppy dogs.
I had to go get the picture.
Okay.
I go get the puppy.